Hey lovelies, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add another Google account right from your mobile browser. First, open your browser and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, open the drop-down menu labeled Show More. Then select Add Another Account. Enter the email address of the new account and tap Next. Type in the password and follow the prompts to sign in. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, confirm your identity by approving the prompt on your phone or entering the verification code sent to your backup option. Click I agree to continue. Here, you can choose to set a home address to personalize your experiences across Google products. Once verified, your Google account will be successfully added to your browser. Click on Manage Accounts, switch to it, and sign in to access your Gmail and all other Google apps linked to that account.